Well, hello there. Thank you for being on this video. I'll just take a minute to do an introductory in reference to the webinar that I'd like to invite you to. And I'm talking to you to hopefully you understand what we're about and how you're going to be able to succeed online. Our live webinar is a workshop. So you're going to learn strategies that are working right now and being utilized by many of us in this business. It's all a secret society, and we are very close-knit group. We'd like to invite you to watch us in action. This webinar workshop is being given by a man that became a millionaire doing the online business and in the affiliate marketing niche. Without a doubt, he's been proving it year after year, day after day. He's on the trenches working daily, increasing his net worth. We'd like to show you that. Now, let me see. Are you getting this? I want to make sure you're getting the point here. This is a training video that you're going to be going through right now, but on Saturday you're going to have a live event. It's all live, okay? Great. Who will benefit from this webinar? People that aren't happy with their jobs and career. A lot of people out there got their jobs, they just go through the motions and not really fulfilling their desires or their needs. This idea for you. Aspiring entrepreneurs. These are entrepreneurs that are currently working it, but have not met their goals or not hit their mark. They're still missing something. So we're going to give you the ingredients that you're missing to be ultra successful and build your ecosystem. Entrepreneurs that are struggling. There's a survey done, and out of I think it was 2,000 affiliate marketers out there, about 96% are making less than $200 a month. So it's sad, but there's people who are struggling out there because they don't have the right techniques, they don't have the right tools. And the fourth group of people is people with a dream that want to start a business. They know the internet is the way to go, but they're not sure how to go about doing this. So we're going to show you all the ingredients that it takes. I got to tell you this though, right now, this is something you got to put time into it. You got to work this. This is not a push button get rich scheme. This is really a work in progress for your future and your family. Now, are you getting this now? Make sure you get this, get the point, okay? You see, isn't this cool? This is very cool stuff I'm talking about here. Okay, what will you get out of the workshop? Eliminate overwhelm and get results fast. Secret keys, ingredients to your rapid growth. Providing you with a solid and clear path to follow. Each day you'll get specific and detailed training. This is a day-by-day training. We hold you by the arm. Once you get involved with us, you will be following strategic steps every single day. It's a 30-session training program that when you get done, or in the process of those 30 sessions, you're going to be making money because a lot of us are doing that right now. So I'm going to invite you this Saturday. Okay, so right behind me here, this Saturday at 2 o'clock. May 11th at 2 o'clock, we're going to have a webinar with Vic Strices. He is the gentleman. He's my mentor, my friend. He's taken over thousands of people through this process, and I was blessed to come across his video 6 months ago, and it's changed my life totally. I'll tell you, I learned so much in 6 months, more than I learned in 3 years looking around, taking classes and watching videos and all that. So anyway, here's a link down here. Hit it. Reserve your spot. I'd like to see you inside. Become part of the team. We look forward to it. You have a great day and God bless you. Bye-bye.